everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for profit. My cat wants to come in and see everything that's going on right now. Overlooked and undervalued items, no. Blah. Start. Blah. The glassware of odds and ends that include like Kiss Me I'm Irish coffee mugs, or this shit. The glassware section of the thrift store is generally a place where you find a mismatch. I don't know if that's a word. The manufacturer. I don't know if you can see that in there. You might be able to, but it's, let's see, can you see that? I was so close. Okay. As I picked it up, I felt the weight. And I was like, this feels a little different than all the other crappy glasses on the shelf. Print, I don't know if you can see that. Thrifty, no. Street cleaner went by. Okay. I don't know if you can see that with the ring light. Ah, it was so close. Okay. Jelly jars. Blah. Okay. Overlooked this session. I was so close. Okay. As soon as I picked up this glass, I knew by its weight that it was a little different from the rest of the crap on the shelf. Yeah, right. Don't overlook this. I was so close. Okay, stop. You can see that, but it says, and then, oh my God. I don't know if you can see that, but what are they? They're titanium crystal. I don't know if you can see the name in there. It says Schott Zwiesel. And for my German viewers, I'm sorry if I totally bastardized the pronunciation. I spotted this, hello? Okay. And I sprinted after it. As soon as she stopped, I was like, that's mine. So, turns out, it's a Kaj Frank designed Arabia of As soon as I saw it, I thought, that's a bit of an oddball item, but I love it, right? Who doesn't want a blue cow water pitcher, right? I want that. I want a blue bowl on a water pitcher, right? I call this the beehive jar for, yeah. It's a mid-century piece made by a Danish designer called Joseph Jacob. Okay. I'm gonna put this, I have this up for $75. So, no, I have it up for 85, dumbass. Okay. $85. Ooh, that sounded terrible. I was like, that doesn't belong there. There's a plane going over. I feigned okay, let's try one more time. And this was a vase, not a vase. You know what I'm saying? I think you do. I just want this to be fun.